Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and making a quick backup if the app allows it. This protects settings and accounts. Once done, close the app fully and go straight to the device settings or the app's own settings page so you don't waste time. Make sure you note whether you're signed in, because clearing history can log you out. Next, find the storage, cache, or app data section. That's where you'll take the first actionable step. Now you perform the core actions. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that often cause glitches, and then, when ready, choose Clear Data or Clear History to reset the app state. You do this because cache fixes transient issues, while clearing data removes stored settings that can block restores. Make sure to read confirmation dialogues. Confirm only if you have a backup or you accept re-signing. After clearing, restart the app so the clean state loads correctly. Finally, sign back in and restore from your backup or cloud sync so the app rebuilds its data cleanly. This is the why behind the clearing step, to allow a fresh restore. Once restored, reconfigure essential settings and test the app's main functions to confirm success. If problems remain, make sure to reinstall the app and repeat the clear cache and data steps. One key troubleshooting tip: check storage permissions and network access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.